The first section is weighing. For this video, it has 8 heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 heads for weighing. When the weighing is finished, it will drop into the box and into the clamshell. At the same time, the clamshell will be automatically dropped. Drop the clamshell and convey the clamshell to the specific position. This section will be off and drop into the box, and then it will go through the conveyor. The first section is close the clamshell, and then it will close the clamshell again. It depends on the packaging type of the shell, and then finish the entire process.